讲到这好莱坞的电影真好看，观众朋友看甲真刺激。事实上，电影特殊动作拢有替身，本地这替身拢是查甫的白人去做。不过有一定女性认为讲，因也是会当哦，因要组成特技车队，争取性别甲种族的新平等。
加州洛杉矶高科这特技驾驶训练场，艺科大胆的女驾驶陆油门、海尾飞车拢总会晓。20年特技资历的桑莫斯，带头成立好莱坞第一个职业女驾驶替身团体，决心打破市场性别限制，证明特技不是男性的专利。
Producer said, "Oh, I didn't know there were female drivers. We just put a guy in a wig." And I was super frustrated because I'm like, how does this person not know this, or is this just a lie, to cover up?
车队有若有技术精湛的女性，也有各种做戏，互所有女演员拢找到甲家己同款的分身，用来拍破业者有一种叫做“抹菜的歹习惯”，也就是将别人特技演员的皮肤抹做咖啡色去扮演非裔演员，也是营造一种片中出现真侪有色人种的多元假象。
There's not just one white guy who can double everybody. He can do everything. We all train. We all take the time to perfect our craft. So use everybody.
根据美国演员工会统计，特技演员当中，男性占3%，女性占1/4。虽然明文规定，制作方爱为女性角色找到女性的替身，男性使用查甫替身，不过若剧组想尽办法拢找无同款的人选，因发表声明设过限制，公平的演出机会，关系女性甲少数族的替身的收集生活，因继续拍拼突破无合理的现状。
But it just motivates you to work harder, train more, and get your name out there so people know your reputation, know that you're good at what you do, and you're available.
公司新闻是会中编辑。